This time also we feel that it is important that NCP puts up its candidates in many constituencies, which of course the number is not yet decided, but we will definitely be contesting in a reasonably good number of constituencies. We have in the past been contesting the elections. In 99 we contested alone. After that we have been contesting in alliance with the Congress. But currently there is no alliance with any political party, and we are not at this moment interested in going with any political party until and unless there is some respectable and a well thought of alliance which can be planned in the next few weeks or months before the election. However, I would like to say that we have started our work in full earnest, and we are going to contest the elections. If we don't have any alliance or understanding, we will definitely going to contest the elections on our own. We are at this moment, of course, you are all aware that very senior leader and well-respected leader of state of Goa, Mr. Churchill Alamava, has joined the NCP, and of course that announcement was made a few weeks ago. And under the leadership of our President of the Goa unit, Mr. Jose Felix D'Souza, we will be contesting these elections in due course. I will also would like to say that we have shortlisted and we are announcing the names of the first list of names. Many more names will be announced in due course, but at least so that our candidates have enough time, we are announcing the names of the candidates. Of course, our President, Mr. Jose Felix D'Souza, will contest from Vasco constituency, and our senior leader and former CM, Mr. Churchill Alamava, will be contesting from his constituency of Benolin. We will also be having candidates to the constituency of Portaling, that is Nelly Rodriguez. Noe, we are going to have Mr. Vincent Rodriguez, and in Saligaon we are going to have Mr. Devanand Naik. This is our first list of candidates which we are announcing. Saligaon is Devanand Naik. So this is the names of our candidates, and in the next week or two we will be announcing further candidates. I will be again here in Goa next week on the 4th of December, and that time we will be having another round of our party meeting, and at that time we will be finalizing our next lot of candidates.